Great to see you here. My name is Luc de Ceuster, founder of the Ceuster Academy, and in this new video I'm going to talk about special products. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. So let's have a look. What are those special product formulas that we are talking about? Well, special product formulas are in fact a certain number of multiplications of polynomials that lead to a result that is simple and repeatable. For example, when we have the square of the sum a plus b, we can say that this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is just one of the examples, but there are more special product formulas that we can define. Why are those formulas important? Now, when we look at special products and we want to expand some multiplications of polynomials, we can do that very easily, very quickly, without doing all the calculations. We can do it a lot faster. And that's very interesting because we save a lot of time. Now, it will help us also when we want to factorize those polynomials. And factorizing is basically the opposite of expanding. What are those formulas? Let's have a look at the most important special product formulas. There are basically four. The first formula is what we call the square of a sum or a difference, which is a plus minus b to the square. The second is the cube or sum or difference. So we have a plus or minus b to the third power. The third one is the product of sum and difference. So we have a plus b times a minus b. And the last is in fact the sum or difference of cubic powers. We have a to the third plus minus b to the third. So basically these are the different special product formulas that we will develop and we will discuss in the following videos. We will have some exercises and we will have some applications where those different formulas can help us to simplify calculations. So that was it. It was a very short introduction into the special product formulas. I just referred them. I didn't do anything with it. It will be in the next video. But before we finish here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye bye.